Hi Moana Habitat. Today we're focusing on measurement. Our focus is to order and compare objects by length. What is length? Let's watch a mini video about length.
Let's understand what length is and how to measure it. The word length is used to measure how long an object is. For example, length of the classroom floor, length of the blackboard, length of a pencil, etc. It is also used to measure distances. For example, distance from your home to school, distance between two cities or countries. Measuring length. We can use the hand span, the foot span, or the cubit to measure smaller lengths. What do you mean by hand span? Hand span is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger on an outstretched hand. Lisa is measuring her maths textbook with the help of hand span. Let's measure 1, 2. So, the length of her maths textbook is 2 hand spans. Now, let's see what you mean by foot span. Foot span is the distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. Look, Lisa is measuring the length of the classroom with her foot spans. Let's measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So, the length of the classroom is 20 foot spans. You too can measure the lengths with your body parts and have fun.
This is a ruler. It is used for measuring things. Do you know how to use it? If not, it's okay because I'm here to teach you. However, if you don't have a ruler, you can use your hand or foot span to measure things for this learning video. If we're measuring the length of an object, which way do you think we need to place the pencil? Remember the keyword long? Which part of the pencil do you think is the longest? Is the pencil longest when it's standing up or lying down? Yes, that's correct. The longest part of the pencil is when it's lying down because it covers more area of the ruler. On this ruler, there are numbers from 0 to 20. These numbers are very important because it tells you how long an object is. When measuring an object, you must place the object under the starting point, 0, so you can get the right measurements. Do you think this is correct? You're right, it's not correct because the pencil started at 2 and not 0. Here is the correct way to measure the length of a pencil. You place the edge of the pencil at the start of the ruler. The pencil started at 0 and landed on 9, so this pencil is 9 centimeters. Now practice measuring the length of a pencil or a pen. How long is your pen or pencil? However, if you don't have a ruler, you can use your hand or foot span. Please make sure your pinky touches your thumb, hand span, or your big toe touches your heel of your foot span. Here is an example on how to work out the length of a pillow using hand span. 1, 2, make sure your pinky and thumb are touching, 3. The length of the pillow is 3 hand span. After learning how to use the ruler, we're now going to start our activity. Number 1, find 3 things in your house that is special to you. Here are my 3 items. I got a Rubik's Cube, a makeup brush, and a clip. Number 2, measure the length of each item you got using a ruler. My Rubik's Cube is 5.5 centimeters, my makeup brush is 11 centimeters, and my clip is 3.2 centimeters. Number 3, label and record the length of your items. I have labeled and recorded the length of each item using this table. Order your items from longest to shortest. I have ordered my items from longest to shortest. My makeup brush is the longest because it is 11 centimeters. It is the biggest number out of the 3 items. My Rubik's Cube is the second longest out of my items because it is 5.5 centimeters. 5.5 is smaller than 11 centimeters, but is bigger than 3.2 centimeters. The clip is my smallest item because it is 3.2 centimeters. 3.2 is smaller than 11 centimeters and smaller than 5.5 centimeters. Now it's your turn. Have fun!